Startups. They represent the combined effort of innovation and ambition. A startup is a company in its early stages, driven by a unique idea and the desire to disrupt the market. They're often founded by passionate individuals willing to take risks and face countless challenges to bring their vision to life. It's about turning an idea into reality, often with limited resources, but with unlimited potential. We often hear success stories of famous tech startups turning into large companies like BlackBerry, founded literally by people in Waterloo Engineering, or Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, who founded Apple, and many more. But behind the scenes, it's a different story. It's a roller coaster of highs and lows, requiring extreme dedication and smart decisions. But like many of you, I've always dreamed of starting my own company, and now I'm finally gonna make it happen. I've had this idea in my mind for a while. As a software developer, it's tempting to dive straight into coding, but I knew I needed a solid plan first. So today, I want to share my thought process and the initial steps I've taken. I'm new to entrepreneurship, so I'll be bringing you guys along my journey and we can learn together. First, we got to figure out the whole purpose of the product itself. And then you also need a reason for the product to exist. It needs some sort of purpose, some sort of problem that it's solving for people. There's a lot of companies out there that were started. So many people create startups and they don't really solve real problems, and they're just startups for the sake of being startups. So, gotta be careful with this and make sure it's actually solving a good problem that a lot of people face. Nowadays, that's kind of hard to find because there's so many ideas out there and so many brilliant minds out there, and a lot of people that are creating solutions to problems out there. Also want to be careful of over-engineering solutions to issues that don't really need over-engineered solutions. I also gotta make sure I make a product that is able to scale to a lot of users, as well as understanding what kind of value this product brings itself compared to a lot of other competitive products and competitors to the product itself. And I planned out a little bit, made a little bit of research about the competitors as well, and didn't really find too many other competitors out there for this idea. Either this product doesn't really work, or it's a unique idea. I actually ended up brainstorming a bit and came together with a few other software engineers from New York City, Vancouver, and Toronto. I discussed with some tech content creators like Nicholas Chen and Samuel Han, who are also software engineers. Samuel is the one who came up with the idea of the platform that we're working on, and the name of the platform is Kalen. It's a platform to connect content creators together.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam. I'm the founder of this project Clink. I'm currently a student studying computer science. I am also on YouTube. I make vlogs and tech-related content. But yeah, I'm really excited to work on this project with Justin and the other developers as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and you guys can go check it out. And yeah, subscribe to Justin.
We actually already have a working prototype for the platform, and you can already check it out in the description down below. Right now we have our Jira board set up and our Slack channel set up too, so we're gonna make some good progress soon. We're planning on adding a bunch more features soon, so let me know what else you guys want to add onto the platform as well. For our tech stack, we're using Next.js, React, MongoDB, and a few other resources. I really want to get some more experience with like front-end development, since in my past few internships, they've all been back-end related. So I think this is going to be a great learning opportunity for me. There's going to be a lot of learning involved in developing this startup. Speaking of that, let me take a moment to thank a sponsor of this video, Brilliant. Brilliant is where you learn by doing, with thousands of interactive lessons in math, data analysis, programming, and AI. Brilliant is a learning platform that's great for people who want to up their game, expand their knowledge. They follow a first principles approach to understanding things from the ground up through interactive problem solving, and they make learning 6 times more effective than watching YouTube videos. Their content is created from experts from a bunch of top institutions like Caltech, Google, and even MIT. Through Brilliant, you're going to become a better thinker by developing your critical thinking skills through problem solving. In Brilliant, you can do daily engaging lessons and gain valuable knowledge really quickly, making it a productive alternative to mindlessly scrolling through Instagram and perfect for building knowledge for just a few minutes a day. But what I really love about Brilliant is their growing number of programming courses, and they're a great way to build foundations and learn real-world applications of software. Brilliant has amazing courses like its Thinking in Code course, where you can develop your mind to think like a programmer, building a strong foundation in writing robust programs. You can learn how to effectively write programs, recognize patterns for writing programs, and gain solid foundations for computational problem solving. To try everything Brilliant has to offer for free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org/jlob or click on the link in the description. You also get 20% off an annual premium subscription. Back to talking about the startup. We have a lot of tasks to complete within the next few weeks and next few months. So let us know if you want to join in on the development of this platform. I'm sure overall it's going to be a lot of fun. I'll continue documenting my journey for this platform. I think in the future, once the series starts getting enough views and once our platform starts getting better, I'm going to start asking a few other successful startup founders like Jason Goodison and maybe other founders from my university about their experiences with starting a startup. I know there's a lot of people from my university, the University of Waterloo, who have made startups that went on to join Y Combinator, which is a big startup accelerator. I think interviewing these people, kind of getting their insight and their advice would be a great starting point for me and Samuel and a bunch of the other software engineers on this team. And it'll also probably be interesting for you guys to kind of get to know them as well and understand their journey of making a successful startup. So that's gonna be all for today. My name's Jaylal, and peace. Thanks again guys for 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can reach 2,000 subscribers soon. Peace.